This is a very shy cat. Every time a girl visits, it always hides and wants to be alone. Even if the girl brings out its favorite food, the cat still remains shy, curling up in its owner's arms, never daring to raise its head. To get the cat to warm up to her, the girl came up with an idea. She mixed catnip water into her shower gel, then used it to take a bath. Sure enough, the cat began to approach her, and it even attracted other cats to gather around the girl. But unexpectedly, once the minty scent on the girl faded, the cat instantly returned to its shy state. Would you like to give this shy cat a like?